G'day people, as you guessed it in the title, this is a unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now I've just picked this up here in Japan. I've got the Fly More Combo Plus, which has this funky remote control, plus it's a bundle as well, comes with a couple of batteries and a few bits and pieces, so we'll have a look at that. Okay, yeah, I really should have got this a lot earlier because I've been over to Bali twice so far, and Taiwan, and we're in Japan, so I probably won't use this here. I'll probably wait till I go back to Australia and then go on a few trips and use this. But anyway, we'll go through and we'll open this up. Just filming on the Samsung phone at the moment. Now, come with this as well. This just basically means the warranty and so forth, so I'll probably have some issues trying if I find that there's something wrong with it. So I'm just going to open it up now and have a bit of a play around, but I won't test it out, sadly. So I'll open it up. Actually, before I do, I'll just show the back of it, and we'll just zoom in. We'll try and be professional. There you have it. Yeah, so it comes with all this stuff here, so without further ado, we'll open it up. Okay. Alright, we've got the little safety seal there, so that makes it a bit easy. Alright. Okay, so it comes already packaged in that. There's nothing in the box. Alright. Okay, we'll have a bit of a look at that. Just position the gimbal a bit better. Alright, we'll open this up. And okay, that's probably just something there. Pretty cool. Comes with this, so I can carry this. Like, I won't be carrying this all the time. I'll just pick and choose what I plan to film. So I'll zoom back out again. There we go. Just in the hotel at the moment. So there's the pretty funky screen there. And there's the drone unit itself. As I was saying, I did look at the Maverick. I wanted to get the Maverick number 3 it was, but I looked at the difference. It was 5K. This one here is a 4K 60. With the 5K, I've noticed from personal experience, when you view stuff in 4K, it's 4K 30, and I like 4K 60. Anyway, so I'll just open all this up and show you what's in there. There should be some cords. I think the cords will be inside here. Okay, so there's 2 batteries. I'm assuming the 3rd battery will be in the unit, so we'll go through that. So there's 2 batteries in a little case, but I'm pretty impressed with this carry case. That makes things a lot easier, so because it won't fit in my man bag. But as I said, I'll probably just pick and choose where I take this to. So what I'll do is I'll pop it back on pause. Alright, yeah, I'm assuming the instructions will be on like the app, because you need to have the app, and there's a little shield on there as well. This here just popped off very easy. I had a clip. I was a bit concerned that I had to do it, so that's why I popped it on pause. But anyway, let's see how we go here. So yeah, so it looks pretty cool. I might just pop it back on pause for a sec. Okay, so there's the 3rd battery. It's already in place. Yeah, I'm surprised that they don't have a little seal on there, because that could have leaked in there, but I don't know. But there is a little seal there. So that's the unit there without the battery. Very light, 250 grams apparently. Like, as I said, I did look at the Maverick. The Maverick was 800 grams. And I think this will be a lot better for me. I've researched it and thought, no, this one will do for me. So there's a little protective, and the good thing, and that's got protective on the lens at the moment. So with this one, has the sensors there. I did look at the Mini 3 Pro, but that didn't have any of these sensors there. The sensors are very important if you are going to fly around, because reason I got this is I've gone to a couple of abandoned buildings where I couldn't get in, so this will be good to survey the properties before going in there, and also just do some nature shots. That's why I'm kicking myself I never got this when I was in Taiwan. Those that have seen my videos, absolutely beautiful beaches and so forth. So we'll get back over to Taiwan, and perhaps we'll come back to Japan. I've got to go to Thailand later this year, to the UK and to a few European countries, and I've got a couple of other journeys as well planned, probably in the new year, because we're in June now of 2024. So it's a pretty impressive unit. What I'll do is I'll just pop this over here, and we've got this pretty funky remote control there, so we'll open this up. I don't really want to waffle on for too long, as my regular subscribers know. I do like to waffle on a bit. Yes, I can probably talk with a mouthful of marbles. So here's the lovely screen there, pretty good, and that's me in the reflection if you didn't know what I'm looking like. Now I wonder where the little knobs are for this. Hopefully they are. Oh, there they are. There's the little knobs in there, your little joysticks there. So that's pretty cool. Like, I'm pretty confident you can buy these in the shop anyway. So I won't play around with this until I get back home anyway, because I want to go down to the park or the beach. I reckon I'll probably go down to the beach. Like, I have used remote control cars, boats and planes in my life. I did look at a couple of other units. As I said, the Maverick looked really good, and it was a toss-up between the Maverick 3 Classic, not the Pro, but I did my research and I was pretty happy with this. You know, like, I'm not doing any spectacular work with it. It's just like for hobby and do stuff for YouTube, but I'm pretty impressed with this. Hopefully I won't encounter any problems. I think I've gone through it all. Yeah, so probably in like a month or so I'll probably release some content on this. Now there is no microphone apparently on the unit, so what you can do is you can plug in your wireless microphone into here, and hopefully it's compatible. I have checked online what's not and what is, so hopefully I can do that on my I do have a Rode wireless which I have to get repaired, but I have another wireless microphone as well, but we'll soon see. I know the DJI have a good one, but that's a bit buggy with iPhone and Samsung, so we'll see how it goes. And hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. So if you're into drones or have an interest, just check out future stuff. I'll make a playlist to put my drone stuff in, and yeah, I might try and make some tips if I can work out any. I've got a few things I'll need to watch, but I've got a lot of content I've got to upload and go through, so this will just be a sideline I'll do just to mix things up on my channel. Alright, I'm going to wrap that up because I've taken up too much of your time. All the best. Thank you.